like a last minute video idea. I just turned the What? You want to be in the video? Last time I put you in the video, I brought you up here and I showed you to everybody, and everybody freaked out. Oh, the dog's dirty and blah, 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 and all that. I'm like, whatever. Hang on, girl. Hang on, I'm right there. All right. So, anyway, this is a quick and dirty kind of a keto dish. Come on in. I'll show you what I was just going to make this, and then I decided to film it. So, let's just show you what I'm doing. All right, guys. Got this all laid out. This is a lazy man's keto onion rings, okay? I've got the little and big donut baking tins, okay? I've got the onions. I'm gonna be using Cosmo's honey chipotle killer bee seasoning. Give it a little heat. Got packs of cheese that I'm gonna dump out and use today, and it should be quick and easy from what I can tell. So let's get this thing started. All right, let's throw this together. Kind of mix my cheeses together. A little Mexi cheddar. Because I have 2 bags that have, whoops, that wasn't smart. All right, let's see what we got here. That over there. Put this over here. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fill these up. Yep, fill them up. It's almost, lots of times doing these keto dishes is kind of like art class, because everything's kind of like those little micro tacos. I don't know if you've seen that video yet, but I showed you how to make the micro tacos. And you got to be good at artistic stuff, because you got to kind of push things around and shape things and make it look like what it's supposed to be. All right, that's good. Now let's get our onions. Got them already sliced. Wow, they're strong smelling. Put one, whoops, can't go that big. Gotta get the right size. There we go. Put that right in there. That one right in there. Let's see, is this a good one? It's funny, you gotta be picky. Find the right size and fill each one with an onion. All right, so let's grab our Cosmos Q Killer Bee seasoning. I'm gonna There we go. There we go. Oh, a little more in there. There it is. Put that off to the side. Just kind of clear the seasoning into the cheese. There we go. A lot of it's on the middle section there. And then we're going to top this off with more cheese. Okay. See how these things go. So I think these are going to come out really nice. And then you're going to want to let these cool. Let them harden, because they will harden up. Then turn them upside down and put them on a paper towel so that all the grease, any oil can be removed. Okay? And that's it. We'll take a look at them in a minute. Okay, guys, this second batch came out way better. So put the onion in, then the cheese on top, and let it just kind of wrap around the onion. Came out beautiful. Can you see those? They just came out great. Got a little spicy ranch dip here. So we're going to give them a try right now. Okay, I just started recording and I could see the little red light flashing. So I don't have a lot of time. My battery's going to die any second. You know what that's like. You're always on a phone call when that happens, right? All right, let's give this a try here. Okay, they're good. The second batch is way better than the first. I tried the first. It was just okay. Second batch is a little bit better, but the recipe's still just okay. If you're into this, try it out. There's nothing wrong with it. I just would like a little bit more. I probably should have really kept it under the broiler long. to crisp it up a little bit. I probably should have added some egg or maybe some crushed pork rinds. There's so many things I could have done differently. So this was a cool attempt at some keto onion rings, and this is the Lazy Man version. There is probably more elaborate ways to make them. So I love you guys. See you in the next episode.